Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. So the question is, some parents send their children to preschool when they are 3 or 4 years old. Other parents wait until their children are old enough for primary school. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of sending children to preschool at a young age. So the question is asking for advantages and disadvantages. So we have to tell both. Okay? Cannot say just one. You have to talk about advantages as well as disadvantages. Basically, the question is saying what are the advantages of sending children to school at a very early age and what are the disadvantages of that. So let's look at the advantages first. Early education and development. Preschools provide a structured environment that helps kids develop essential skills like problem solving, critical thinking, social skills, and emotional development. Problem solving means they learn how to solve small problems, okay, like numbers, okay, they learn alphabets or something along those lines. Critical thinking and social skills, they learn how to make friends, they learn how to talk to each other. Okay, these are the foundation steps of social skills. And emotional development, they build a connection with another human being. Okay, that increases their emotional developmental abilities. Okay, second is preparation for primary school. Preschool serves as a transitional step means, for example, to reach to level 2 we have to reach level 1. That's transition. Okay, helping children adapt to a structured setting, making the transition to primary school smoother. Since in preschool you also have teachers, teachers tell students or the kids how to behave properly, what are the mannerisms. They wear uniforms, so they know about what is the decorum that they have to conduct. Okay, kids learn that from an early age, and that helps them to adapt to a structured setting because they go to a bigger school. Okay, they go from preschool to primary school. The rules remains the same. Okay, they might have a different teacher or they might have a different uniform. Okay, but the rules, the foundations of the rules become, they know, like they have to wear school uniform, they have to dress themselves up. Okay, or their parents have to dress them up, or they have to complete their homework. Okay, so that's how they learn. There's a small step from preschool to primary school. Okay, structured learning environment. Preschool offer a structured environment where kids learn important routines, rules, and develop a sense of order and discipline. In schools, you learn what are rules and how to follow them. Your teachers enforce those rules. And if kids are sent to preschool, they get to know how rules work in societies. Okay? And that develops a sense of discipline in them. Okay, so they have to get early, they have to reach the school at a designated time, they have their breaks at a designated time, so they know how timetable works. Okay, now let's move on to the disadvantages. Separation anxiety. Some children may experience emotional distress due to separating from their parents, potentially hindering their social and emotional development. You see, many children are not able to bear separation from their parents. Even if they are separated for 3 hours or 4 hours, they tend to cry a lot. Okay? They get anxious. And that's why many children cannot adapt early. They need some time before they go to school. Okay? Financial burden. Preschool education is costly, which can strain the family's budget. Many preschools are private schools. They cost a lot of money, and that's why it increases the family's budget. It puts a strain on the family's budget. Okay, and many parents tend to avoid this cost. The third one is potential for overscheduling and stress. While structured activities are beneficial, overloading young ones with too many scheduled activities can lead to stress and burnout, hindering their overall development. Structured activities are good. They give children a kind of like a roadmap on how life works. Okay, but what it also causes, it causes anxiety, and kids get tired. So that's why many people believe that it hinders their overall development. Okay, when you are young or when you are very young, you tend to enjoy life more. You need to be closer to nature and not confined to the four walls of a school. Okay, and this may hinder overall development. Okay, so this was IELTS writing task 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button